Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix CapCut template not showing in TikTok. So the first thing to do is to go to your Google Play Store and make sure that your TikTok account is up to date. So kindly type TikTok here, and if it says update, you need to update that. Now if it's not, then all you have to do is to open your TikTok application. So that's the first thing you need to do. Now, the second thing here is to just simply go to your TikTok application and then kindly tap the magnifying glass here or the search icon and then type CapCut template. Okay, CapCut template. So click the first one here, and when you click this one, you can see tons of TikTok users who are using a CapCut template effect, something like that. So all you have to do is to click or select at least one CapCut template here. Let's just say this one. Okay, so now click this CapCut try template, click use template in CapCut, and then after that it will take you directly to your CapCut application. So make sure that you have a CapCut application. So this is it. Now once you're here, you have to click this use template and then tap the videos that you wanted to use for your editing. Okay, and then after that you just have to click preview. Now once you're okay, all you have to do is to click export. As easy as that. Now wait for a couple of minutes or a few seconds, or it depends, as it is exporting. Then once done, you can share it automatically to TikTok. As easy as that. If you find this informative, please like and subscribe. And see you again in our next videos.